How to make money by guest blogging for beginners. Hi there, and welcome to our video on how to make money by guest blogging for beginners. Are you a budding writer or blogger looking to make some extra cash on the side? Well, guest blogging might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of guest blogging, how to find opportunities, and tips for success. What is guest blogging? Guest blogging is a type of content marketing where you write and publish blog posts on other people's websites or blogs. The purpose of guest blogging is to reach a new audience and to gain exposure for your brand or website. But, how does guest blogging make money for you? Let's move to the next section. How to make money by guest blogging. Guest blogging can earn you money in a few different ways. Affiliate marketing. By adding affiliate links in your guest post, you can earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Sponsored posts. Many websites offer payment for sponsored posts. If your post meets their guidelines, you can earn money for your contribution. We hope you found this video helpful, and we wish you all the best on your guest blogging journey. Thanks for watching.